Vertices are a phenomenon relating to great circles. By definition, a great circle has the same centre and radius as the Earth itself. The vertices of a great circle are the northernmost and southernmost position of the great circle. The vertices are antipodal, in other words, diametrically opposite. From the example on the screen, the northern vertex of the great circle is 63 degrees north and 10 degrees east. The southern vertex will have the same value of latitude, except it is south, in this case 63 degrees south. The great circle will have these two antipodal points on a meridian and its antimeridian. In this example, the northern vertex is on the 10 east longitude meridian, and the southern vertex is on the 170 degrees west longitude antimeridian. The sum of the two longitudes will always equal 180 degrees, indicating a meridian and its associated antimeridian. Vertices have some interesting properties. The great circle will cross the equator at the 2 points whose longitude is 90 degrees from either vertex, in this case 100 east and 80 west. The great circle will cross the equator at an angle equal to the latitude of its vertex. In this case, the angle is 63 degrees. The direction of the great circle can be determined from this crossing angle. At either vertex of the great circle, the track direction is either 090 or 270 degrees.